Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send pictures on Signal app. First of all, you can open the Signal app. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can select the chat here that you send pictures on the chat. I can select myself because I send pictures on me. After selecting the chat, and here you can see the camera option at the middle right of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the gallery option at the bottom left corner. Tap on it, and here you can select any picture or video that you send. I can select this picture. After selecting the picture, you can tap on one icon at the bottom right corner, and now you can see the share option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on it. After this, the picture is sent on Signal app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.